style like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday.
Hi guys, who's this Afro Barbie? But hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today is Sunday and I'm literally getting ready because I'm heading out in a little bit. Today my friend Tengu of Moms That Brunch is having an aloha party, tropical party. I think I've mentioned that in previous vlogs at this point, but yeah, it's gonna be a nice lovely Sunday afternoon in our tropical outfits, okay? And this time around it's not just for moms. I think a lot of people are coming with their husbands as well because the theme is Bahama mamas and papas. So I think a lot of people are going to be coming with their husbands or boyfriends, as the case may be, okay? So yeah, this is what the hair I wanted to use today. I actually wanted to use, let me show you guys. I actually wanted to use one of my coily hairs, but I think I'm loving this afro more for the occasion since it's like a tropical thing, but I haven't fluffed it out properly. So let me just fluff it out very well with like leave-in conditioner, some water, you know, and I feel like it will look good because I'm going to put like some hair accessories and I feel like they will look better on an afro hair. Yeah, so I'll show you guys my complete look when I'm ready. And yeah guys, let's get ready. Do you guys like my makeup? I kind of rushed my makeup today, but I'm hoping that it looks good. And once I wear my full outfit, I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, okay you guys, I'm ready, but I don't know if you guys are able to see the full look. Let me try and set this camera. I really hope it captures the full look properly. Okay, anyway, if you guys can hear me, I'm wearing this cute dress from Shein. I didn't show you guys this from the last Shein, what's it called now? Shein haul I did on my last vlog. But I'm wearing this really cute dress from Shein. I love this frill so much. And I have like a white kimono on top as well from Shein. I'm wearing white heels from Shein. I have my sunglasses from Shein. I have this petal in my hair from Shein. I'm looking hella Shein, okay? And I think I love it. So I just got here. I just changed my glasses because I feel like these ones I'm wearing right now look a lot more tropical than the dark shades. So yeah, anyway, let's go in and let's go have a good time. You guys will come along with me as always because why else are you here? Let's go. Hey Barbies, aloha Barbies. Oh, we have twins in the building. I love it. Hi, Brittany. Hi. How are ya? Hi, Barbie. Thank you, my darling. Hi, Barbie. Ooh, aloha. Yaponite. Hey. and drinking too much.
Way up high, dreams that you dream of somewhere, rainbow. Attention, attention. I was chilling in the club.
Come on, bitch, better hit my money. Yeah, I know the whole club fucking wasted. Papa am the only thing you play. Hey, hey. Come here, rude boy, you should get it in a take it. Take it, baby, get love. Tonight I'ma let you get it. Hey, you want, hey, give it to me, baby, like boom, 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 la la.
Hi guys, what's up? I've literally just been editing. Like, I know that today is going to be one of those days that I have a lot to do, so I'm currently trying to edit a quick vlog that should go up today, and also edit a short form video for Instagram that would go up today as well. So that's what I'm trying to do because I have to film this morning, guys. My life my life. I have to film this morning. I have a brand I'm meant to film a video for Instagram this morning, and then I have a couple of other videos I want to also film for Instagram, a couple of my funny videos and, you know, creative videos. I want to do that as well because I try not to film every single day. You guys get what I mean? So I like to batch create. If I film for YouTube, for example, I will film like 2 or 3 videos for YouTube, especially if they are sit down videos. Vlogs are more on the go, but for sit down videos I would mostly film like 2 or 3 in a day. And then the same thing goes for Instagram, especially if it's not sponsored content. If it's just my funny videos or like my creative videos, I would film like 5 in a day or 6, so that I know that for the next 1 week plus, maybe even 2 weeks, I don't have to film anything. So that's what I want to do today, because I have to do that, all of that this morning, edit 2 videos, film like 4 or 5 videos. And yeah guys, let me get into what I need to do. I have a lot to do today, so let me get into it. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys. Someone gave me a gift at the Moms That Brunch Aloha party. She has a fashion brand, I think, or a bespoke brand, something like that. But let me show you guys. Look at this. This is so pretty, guys. This is a lovely Ankara dress, and I love these sleeves. Are so beautiful. Like, I love the sleeves. And you guys know how you know when an outfit is well made. This outfit is well made. It's tailored very well. The finishing is exquisite, and the dress has weight. The dress is heavy. Like, these sleeves, they have weight, and I love that. A very nice simple fitted dress, but for me, I think the sleeves are the detail. I want to make anything bespoke now. I will definitely try her out, because I do love her sewing and her finishing. And whenever I wear this, you guys would see whether I wear this to whatever, but you guys would see when I eventually wear this. And then hope you guys enjoyed watching the Aloha party by Moms That Brunch. You guys know that Moms That Brunch has like the best events in this town as far as I'm concerned. Like, she's always giving us back to back. And you guys would have seen what we got up to. You guys would have seen what I got up to. You guys would have seen when I was channeling my inner Rihanna. You guys would have seen every, but it was so much fun being in that tropical aloha paradise and all of that. I love themed parties. Like, I love when parties are like themed, you know. But anyway, this is what we got. This is so cute, and this is like right on theme. It's a very nice raffia bag with MTB, Moms That Brunch, on it. Everybody that came for this event got this, and everybody that came got this, because this is, everybody knows how important this is, because the sun in Abuja can get very crazy, so this comes in very handy. I have like 5 or 6 of this at this point, to be honest. And then there's this really nice creative thing called an banana, right? It's an banana, but it's an umbrella shaped like a banana. Like, how crazy is that? Like, look at that. Like, when you open it up, I don't want to open it up now and start forcing it back in, but this is what it looks like. It's an umbrella in there, but it is shaped like a banana. So nice, and very much right on theme for the whole aloha tropical thing. And then there is this little mini product from a brand called Raw Beauty, I think. So they gave us like this mini products. This looks like a cleanser. Yeah, they wrote it there. They are something cleanser. But that's what it looks like. So yeah, that was what was inside the bag. And this bag is so pretty if you want to go on a picnic, or if you're going on vacation to like an island, a tropical island, a resort, that kind of thing. This comes in very handy. So yeah, that's that about the Aloha brunch. Let me get to work, guys, and I'll talk to you guys later.